Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all you have a good news today. I'm Ira Dwi Afrilya from 1B. In this video, I will practice how to make a simple paper bag.
The tools and material used are wrapping paper, rope, tape, perforator, and scissors. First, fold the wrapping paper like in the video. Second, put tape on the side. Third, fold the bottom paper about 5 cm. Then, fold the paper again like in the video. Fourth, put tape on the side. Fifth, fold the paper right and left neatly. Then, open the paper and trim the right and left. Also fold the top paper about 5 cm and cut the fold paper. After then, fold the paper inward. Then, make holes in the paper using a perforator. Take the rope and cut 2 pieces of the same size. Then insert the rope into the fold paper and tie. And then paper bag finish. You can make this paper bag as a gift bag, just like the example in the video.